Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a shading. Today I am going to teach you a forest, a palm forest. Take your shading pencil, take your eraser and your paper. Now we are going to start it. One straight line, one curve line, again one deep curve, one straight line, again one straight line to show the bark of the tree. Here I made a bark of the trees. Now I'm going to touch it up to the top point. Now start giving us curve strokes. For making a palm tree, give us strokes. Both the side. At the downside, leave it up to some extent. Again, give strokes. Now go to another. If it is overlapping, no problem. Same thing. Now take it this on opposite way. Give a strokes till down. Same thing on opposite side, last tree. You can give it long strokes. Here your both the side trees are ready. Few light turning at a ground level. I am using 8B pencil. Same thing on opposite side. By a slipping strokes, light turning. Now I am going to make it one mountain which is hiding in the trees. Again, few slipping strokes on a right direction in all the mountains. Few light turning on the sky by the slipping strokes. Few fences going towards inside portion of the forest. Same thing here. Light turning, slipping mode on the road. One man going on the way, handling a stick. Here our forest is ready. Palm forest is ready. You can make it your own self. Thank you, friends.